Hello everybody, we're going to do another chainsaw video. This is another Stihl 029 Super that I recently picked up about a week and a half ago. And it was missing a bunch of parts: the muffler, side cover, bar and chain, and it had a scored cylinder. The original owner straight gassed it. So thanks to Dan up in Saugeen in Hackensack, Minnesota, we got it back up and running. Now I've only made about 3 cuts with this so far. It's been running for about an hour and 15 minutes since I finished putting it together this morning. I let it idle for about an hour, just to let that piston and ring start to seat back in. And I'm also running it at 20:1 gas oil mix. So anyway, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Working on a John's Red 630 Super. That'll be next. Thank you for watching. Bye.